When you think of Sun Tzu, you probably picture ancient battlefields and military strategy. But what if I told you that buried deep within his teachings is a secret financial genius? A set of powerful money strategies that have been overlooked for centuries, yet could transform the way you manage your wealth today. What if the same principles that won wars thousands of years ago could help you win the most important battle of all, the battle for financial freedom? Stay with me, because what you're about to discover will change everything you thought you knew about money and strategy. Sun Tzu, the ancient Chinese military strategist renowned for his masterpiece The Art of War, is often celebrated for his battlefield tactics and leadership wisdom. But beneath these lies a profound understanding of resource management that holds invaluable lessons for financial success today. At the core of Sun Tzu's philosophy is the principle of efficiency achieving maximum results with minimal expenditure of resources, whether those resources are soldiers, time, or money. He famously stated, "The supreme art of war is to subdue the enemy without fighting," which, when translated into financial terms, means that the smartest strategy is to accomplish your goals without unnecessary costs or risks. This mindset encourages us to avoid wasteful spending, impulsive investments, and reckless financial decisions that drain capital and jeopardize long-term stability. Instead, Sun Tzu advocates for meticulous preparation and intelligence gathering before taking any action. He emphasizes knowing both yourself and your enemy, which in the financial world means understanding your own risk tolerance, financial goals, and limitations, as well as thoroughly researching market conditions, competitors, and economic trends. This preparation reduces uncertainty and positions you to make informed, confident decisions. Moreover, Sun Tzu's teachings highlight the importance of patience and timing, just as a general waits for the perfect moment to strike. A wise investor waits for the right opportunity to deploy capital, avoiding the temptation to chase every fleeting trend or hot investment. This patience helps minimize risk and maximize returns. Another key lesson is the power of selectivity. Not every battle is worth fighting, and not every investment is worth making. By focusing on ventures that align with your strategy and strengths, and by avoiding distractions or high-risk gambles, you conserve your resources for the opportunities that truly matter. Sun Tzu also stresses resourcefulness, the ability to adapt and make the most of what you have. In financial terms, this means leveraging your existing assets, skills, and networks creatively to generate value, whether through negotiating better deals, cutting unnecessary expenses, or identifying undervalued investments. This resourcefulness turns limitations into advantages, allowing you to grow wealth even when resources are scarce. Finally, Sun Tzu's philosophy teaches us to be efficient with our resources, avoiding prolonged conflicts or financial battles that drain morale and capital. Instead, focus on high-impact investments and strategies that yield the greatest return for the least effort. By applying these timeless principles, thorough preparation, efficiency, patience, selectivity, and resourcefulness, you can build a strong financial foundation, avoid costly mistakes, and position yourself for sustained wealth and success. In the next part, we will explore how Sun Tzu's strategic mindset extends into the art of investment and risk management, revealing how to protect and grow your wealth in today's complex financial battlefield. Sun Tzu's brilliance was not only in how he planned battles, but also in how he managed risk and positioned his forces strategically to ensure victory with minimal loss, principles that translate perfectly into the world of investing and financial risk management. One of his key teachings is the importance of defense as much as offense, encapsulated in his advice to build your opponent a golden bridge to retreat across, which in financial terms means always having an exit strategy and preparing for contingencies before committing your resources. This mindset encourages investors to never become trapped in a losing position and to maintain flexibility to adapt or withdraw when conditions change. Diversification, a cornerstone of modern portfolio theory, echoes Sun Tzu's wisdom by spreading risk across different assets to protect against unforeseen setbacks, much like a general would avoid putting all his troops in one vulnerable location. Sun Tzu also understood the power of deception and surprise, not through dishonesty, but through strategic positioning and timing. In finance, this can mean keeping your investment plans confidential, negotiating deals from a position of strength, or entering markets when competitors least expect it, thereby gaining a competitive edge. His emphasis on knowing the enemy and knowing yourself is a timeless lesson in risk management. Understanding both the external market forces and your own financial limits allows you to avoid reckless gambles and make calculated moves. Sun Tzu's strategies also highlight the importance of patience and timing in risk-taking. Rushing into investments without proper analysis or during volatile periods can lead to devastating losses, whereas waiting for the right moment to act can multiply gains. Moreover, he teaches that the best victories are those achieved with minimal conflict, which in investing means seeking opportunities where the risk-reward ratio is favorable and avoiding battles that drain resources without clear benefits. This approach encourages a disciplined mindset, where emotional impulses are checked by strategic thinking and thorough analysis. Sun Tzu's principles also extend to the psychological aspects of investing. Understanding market sentiment, anticipating competitor moves, and maintaining composure under pressure are all critical to navigating financial markets successfully. His teachings remind us that risk is inevitable, but it can be managed and mitigated through preparation, diversification, and strategic positioning. By applying these ancient strategies, investors can protect their capital, seize opportunities with confidence, and build resilient portfolios that withstand market turbulence. Ultimately, Sun Tzu's art of war is an art of balance, balancing risk and reward, offense and defense, patience and action, and mastering this balance is the key to long-term financial success. In the final part, we will explore how Sun Tzu's emphasis on adaptability and long-term vision can help you thrive in the ever-changing financial landscape, turning challenges into opportunities and securing lasting wealth. Sun Tzu's enduring legacy is not only his mastery of immediate tactics, but also his profound understanding of long-term strategy and adaptability, lessons that are crucial for anyone seeking lasting financial success in today's unpredictable markets. He famously compared water's ability to shape itself according to the terrain it flows over, teaching that flexibility and responsiveness to changing conditions are essential for survival and victory. In finance, this means that rigid adherence to a fixed plan can be dangerous. Instead, successful investors and entrepreneurs must be willing to pivot, learn from failures, and continuously refine their strategies as markets evolve. Sun Tzu's emphasis on long-term vision reminds us that wealth building is not about quick wins or chasing the latest trends, but about sustained growth through disciplined planning, patience, and resilience. He understood that wars are not won overnight, and similarly, financial independence requires a commitment to steady progress, reinvestment, and the ability to weather setbacks without losing sight of the ultimate goal. This mindset encourages a holistic approach to money management, balancing short-term needs with long-term aspirations, and preparing for future uncertainties by building diversified portfolios, emergency funds, and multiple income streams. Adaptability also involves emotional intelligence, the ability to remain calm under pressure, avoid panic selling during downturns, and seize opportunities when others hesitate. Sun Tzu's teachings highlight the importance of continuous learning and self-awareness, urging us to know our strengths and weaknesses, and to adjust our tactics accordingly. This could mean shifting investment strategies as economic conditions change, embracing new technologies, or exploring emerging markets with an open mind. Moreover, his philosophy encourages leaders to inspire and empower their teams, which in financial terms translates to building strong networks, seeking expert advice, and collaborating with trusted partners to enhance decision-making. By embracing Sun Tzu's principles of adaptability and long-term vision, you position yourself not just to survive the financial battlefield, but to thrive and grow your wealth sustainably. This approach transforms challenges into opportunities, turning market volatility into a strategic advantage. Ultimately, the financial genius of Sun Tzu lies in his timeless wisdom that success is a journey, not a destination, one that requires foresight, flexibility, and unwavering commitment. By internalizing these lessons, you can navigate the complexities of modern finance with confidence, resilience, and strategic insight, ensuring that your financial legacy endures for generations to come. If you found the hidden financial wisdom of Sun Tzu as eye-opening as I did, imagine what other ancient strategies could teach us about mastering money and success today. Which of Sun Tzu's principles will you apply to your financial journey? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your take. Don't forget to like this video if it sparked new ideas, subscribe to the channel for more powerful insights, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a chance to learn from history's greatest minds. Remember, in the battle for financial freedom, strategy wins the day. Thanks for watching, and here's to your smart, strategic success.